Hey guys, it's Tamika here and I'm back at you guys with another video. In this video we're going to be discussing basically how to stay motivated. I know a lot of you guys are probably at the end of your semester taking finals or probably already finished with finals, but this video is just basically how to stay on track and staying motivated while in nursing school. If you're interested, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. Also, don't forget to share because, as always, you know, sharing is caring. So the first tip that I have for you guys to stay motivated would be to make sure you write down your goals. And for me, it's always important to write down short-term goals that are more attainable. Your long-term goals, they are more harder to obtain. Therefore, you're going to be, it's like maybe years and years can pass by before you even obtain those long-term goals. So that's why I suggest writing down a list of short-term goals. That way, whenever you do obtain them, you feel more accomplished. A second thing that I would do is remove all negative energy, negative people, negative things from around your circle. It's so important that everybody around you wants the same outcome for you. So for example, I remember I was in my undergrad school freshman year and I was taking a course, biology course, microbiology I think it was, and I wasn't doing so well. I was actually failing the course, to be honest with you guys. And I had a friend, at least I thought she was a friend, she told me that I might as well get a new major because people in nursing school only get into nursing school with A's and B's. And I had a D in this course. But besides the point, I stopped talking to her because I felt like instead of her telling me to drop out or change majors, she could have been boosting me up, telling me that, hey, you can do this, blah, 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 just keep your head up, blah, blah, blah. She didn't do that, so kicked her to the curb. Let's just take a moment to light some sage to get rid of all that bad energy. Not bad energy. Oh gosh. We got a little some light some sage to get rid of all of that bad energy. So another thing that you can do to stay motivated and stay focused on your career path would be to give yourself positive affirmation. And what that means is to basically boost yourself up. Tell yourself, hey, I can do this. Keep your own self motivated because you are going to be your biggest supporter in life. Always remember that. If you can't support yourself, don't think that someone else is going to support you when you don't even support yourself. So positive affirmations is one thing that you can do that will go a long way. So some examples of different positive affirmations that I just Googled online are, for example, telling yourself, I am smart, calculate plans for your future. Another thing that I liked was, I am in complete charge of planning my future. Just telling yourself things like that can really help you stay motivated and stay focused and make you keep in mind what's the big picture instead of saying that, oh, I have all these assignments due. Make sure you understand why you're doing the assignments and what the bigger picture would be from these assignments. Another thing I do, or that you can do to stay motivated, is visualize your success. One thing that you can do for that would be basically making yourself like a vision board. Just kind of visualize where you see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years or 10 years if you want to think back that far, or pressing forward that far. A vision board will help you know, okay, so within the next 3 years, this is what I want to happen in. Basically, you can always refer back to that vision board whenever you feel defeated or you feel like you're not motivated. Especially going into the new year, creating a vision board would be an excellent thing that you can do to stay focused and basically outline your goals for 2022. Yes. So along with positive affirmations, and everything that you can do is give yourself positive incentives. So for example, you can tell yourself, hey, if I pass this test, I'm going to go and buy myself something, or you're going to go buy yourself a Louis bag, for example. Just something, or maybe even a pedicure if you pass this test or you pass the course. Whatever goal, that short-term goal that you set for yourself, give yourself an incentive. So like, okay, if I do pass this test or this course, I'm going to get myself something. You have to learn to treat yourself. So another thing that you can do to stay motivated and stay focused would be to ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not doing well in a course or in the semester in general, don't be afraid to ask your professors for help. Or you can even reach out to a colleague or a friend who's doing well in a course and figure out how they study for their test and what things that they use that they found helpful to pass the course or the test that that you didn't do so well on. And don't wait till the last minute, like the end of the semester, to start asking for help. If you know from the beginning that you aren't that good in cardiology, or you're not as good as others in respiratory in those systems, get with a buddy and partner up and see how you guys can help each other out. Don't let your pride or your ego be so high up that you're afraid to ask for help. Another thing that would be beneficial in helping you stay motivated would be to create a study routine, so that you'll know every day from such and such time to this time you're going to be studying for this course. That way you don't forget to study, and creating a routine makes it more easier for you to plan out the rest of your day and the rest of your semester. That's another thing that I did during nursing school. After class, I would drive home, take a shower, all that stuff, and then from like 8 to 12 or 8 to 10, I would use that time to study, basically. Another thing that you can do also would be to create a study group, because I feel like study groups help all of you guys stay focused. It puts everyone accountable for their actions, and also I feel like it's more fun to create a study group to help you guys study, because sometimes what you might not know, another student may know, and that way they can teach you and vice versa. So focusing on the end result, not the process, will definitely be a key thing to keep in mind. A wise professor once told me, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and let's not hope that it's a dream. I hope you guys enjoyed these few tips and tricks that I use myself to become successful and also stay motivated while in nursing school. And I hope that all of you guys are passing your tests and your finals and passing your boards and all those things like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.